What is organizing? For some, it may mean neat and tidy space, a well-stocked pantry, a lot of organizers. For me, it just means to simplifying the things at home or office. Simplifying your chores and routines to have a more productive, efficient, and meaningful life. There can be a perfect, well-organized home without the use of even a single physical organizer. It is more tilted towards habits to keep the space in order. In today's video, we will talk about how to start organizing your home from the scratch, especially if you're new to it. And we will also talk about how to sustain it once the house is fully organized so that it does not come back to the old level. Let's get started. If you're starting new, just start with one corner or a drawer or a small closet so that you don't get overwhelmed on the first day itself. Trying to accomplish everything today only brings a sense of failure because you cannot. Therefore, start from a small area, and then once you are done, you will surely get motivated to organize other areas as well. Ensure that your pace is comfortable in the beginning. Most of the times, my starting point when organizing any space is to empty that space completely. It presents a clean and clear picture of that real estate and helps you visualize how you want it to look in the future. Next step is to get rid of stuff which you don't need anymore. Things that are not useful and yet occupying your space. This can be a difficult step as a lot of us don't find it easy to let go of things for its emotional value, though it may have been lying unused for years. Therefore, take your time to go through all the items one by one. For sustainable organizing, always group similar items, which means keep the same type of items in one place, so that you know where to find them. For instance, in the kitchen, keep all the spices in one place for easy access, all the cookware in one cabinet, and all the serveware like plates, bowls, and glasses in another cabinet. This rule works well with other everyday items as well, like tools, clothes, linen, toys, etc. When everything has a dedicated place, it is easier to put things back promptly after you are done using them. Similar things together look beautiful and space looks organized. Functionality is the key element when organizing. For instance, if you have your working desk or study table in one room, it is logical to keep your books and stationery in the same room so that you don't have to leave your room while working, which will increase distraction and lower your productivity. Similarly, always keep your dining essentials such as cutlery, salt and pepper, toothpicks, etc. handy to avoid getting up to grab something from the kitchen while having meals. Like one size does not fit all, one organizing method may not work for all. Take an example of folding clothes. Some people want to keep their clothes folded and some like to keep all the clothes in hangers. Some prefer to keep folded clothes in piles and some in the file system. Choose a system as per your liking and lifestyle. If you lead a busy life and want to spend less time choosing the clothes and dressing up, hanging clothes would be more suitable and less time consuming for you. Same way, if you have less storage space, keeping clothes in piles is more suitable for you as it can accommodate more clothes. While organizing any space, always try to keep things visible. Out of sight is out of mind. If you don't see, you may not use or wear them. Also, ease of accessibility is very important. Frequently needed items should be kept in easy to access place like drawers and lower cabinets, and occasionally used items on the upper cabinets, lofts, corner cabinets, etc. If things are not visible and easy to access, then you might end up messing up the space again. To make the organizing system more efficient, make use of organizers. Like in the cabinet, if you put the stair organizer, accessing things from the back would be so easy. Similarly, if you keep items in the upper shelf, by using a lazy Susan or turntable, accessing them while working is easy. Also, keeping pans and tawas using plate rack instead of keeping them on one another would make them easy to access and choose. One important thing to note here is whenever you plan to organize any space, don't rush to buy new organizers. If possible, do utilize or repurpose your existing organizers. You can get creative with your DIY skills using cardboard or waste plastic boxes. Ensure correct measurement before ordering. For instance, if you're selecting jars for your pantry, choose the right sizes according to your family size and consumption. It will avoid unnecessary hassle of returning and reordering things. Also, they come with the cost, so need to be careful while choosing the organizers or storage solutions. If you don't know how to choose organizers, we have given the links of our favorite and most useful organizers in the description box. By following these steps, you can easily organize any area of your house. Now let's see a few important steps to have sustainable organizing. Now once the place is organized, give yourself time to be comfortable with that system. It may take a few weeks or couple of months to get used to that system. Organizing is not a one-day task. It is a habit which takes time to develop within you. And like any other good habit which we try to develop, it will take some time to show its results. So be consistent with whatever you are doing. For instance, if you have decided that you will start making your bed in the morning, be consistent till the time it becomes your daily ritual. I always wondered why minimalist homes always look so neat and tidy. It's because staying organized with less stuff is easier. Well, my current lifestyle is far from an absolute minimalist, but nothing stops from gaining inspiration. I'm not asking you to stop buying, but just to be thoughtful before bringing anything home. Don't hesitate to remove any unused items. Before buying any items, make sure you have space for that. Adapting to any new routine works well if you're open for the change. Sometimes we need to change our organizing as well according to the current situation. Like this drawer in my shoe rack was used earlier to store shopping receipts and visiting cards along with the pair of keys. Its role has changed to further accommodate new and washed masks and sanitizers, so that while going out, we don't forget to carry these essentials. Similarly, this desk in my son's room was my workstation earlier, but now due to pandemic, as he is doing his online classes, I've converted this desk to his study table and stored things only related to his studies and craft. Same way, if you feel any space in your house can be utilized better than its present function, change it. Organizing itself beautifies the space. Little more effort and it becomes so pleasing and neat. For instance, in the closet, different sizes of basket with different colors and material won't give that wow feeling. Or clothes hanging in different types and shapes of hangers may not look appealing. The place may look shabby even if it is well organized. On the other hand, if you choose nice looking aesthetic baskets and hangers with the same color, pattern and size, they will suddenly change the overall look of your closet. And if any space looks beautiful and neat, you won't have the heart to ruin or mess that space. That means you will try to keep that space always organized. I get many comments about family members not supporting or contributing in organizing. Well, for sustainable organizing, it is very important to keep family members' taste, habits, and style in mind. If we organize a space and ask them to just blindly follow, they may not be able to do that for long. Adapting to their needs first and then gentle reminder works sometimes. But the better alternative is to make a system which is more comfortable and convenient for your family as whole. Like if you have to remind your kids to put dirty clothes in the laundry basket kept in the bathroom, which they always forget, better you put a laundry basket in their room itself, where they can directly put their laundry, which is more easy and convenient for them. Eventually, it will become their habit and they will start putting the dirty clothes at the right place. Make things simple to follow. Last but not the least, don't try to achieve perfection in the first go. Being half or partially organized is far better than being completely disorganized. For instance, if you don't have time to fill up groceries in the containers, just keep the stock separately in the basket where all the items are properly visible, so that you will be one step closer to properly stocking them when you have time. By following these easy and simple steps, one can organize any area or space. These points can make an organized life feel much less daunting and overwhelming. Before I end, I would like to thank everyone who shared their ideas on managing leftover food to avoid wastage in the comment section of our last video. I loved reading them, and this amateur cook is happy to learn from all of you pro out there. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.